Hey, what's going on, guys? Caucasian Mark, the whitest student on the internet. Today we're talking about something riveting, fun, exciting, more awesome than that next big Mel Gibson movie. If they did like 9 Passion of the Christs in a row where he eventually became a Terminator and started enslaving the world, trying to enforce his forgiveness with 2 massive machine guns and rockets blowing up the world everywhere. This is more exciting than that. I lost my train of thought there for a minute. We're covering encapsulation. Encapsulation is cool because it's a cornerstone of object-oriented design. It's a huge principle, and it's a way of taking your data and saying who can or cannot see it. And that's pretty cool as well. So let's start off here. I created another class called Muppets right here. I went into my package, right-clicked, created a Java class. Cool stuff. Ignore that for now. Let's just do public. And so we're going to explain encapsulation through the access specifiers and see how we could control our data. So we have public int a. What does public mean? Public means that in this package and any other package we have in our program, it could access this information, the Muppets int value a, which now is set to 7. So we could come into here. We created a Muppets object called Mupster. Awesome, sexy stuff. And we're accessing A right there. So we have 7. Cool. We see that it's 7 right here. Great stuff. Now let's go into, let's delete that there. What if there's nothing in front of it? Well, that's our default access specifier. The default access specifier is pretty cool because it allows information to be read in that same package there. So if we come in here, we could run this one more time. And because it's the same package, we're able to access that information just as we would like to. Now, the next one, which has, this is a bit of a play on the same thing, is protected. Now, protected could also be used by classes in the same package, but also it could be used by subclasses as well. So if we wanted to say, extends Muppets, that would be cool as well. We'd run it, and it has that flexibility to it as well. Now, what if I wanted to do private? That's the last one we're dealing with today. That's the 4th one there. We see there's an issue here. It's red. Well, let's go ahead and run the program and see why. It has a private access in practice. Muppets right there. Sorry, my brain kind of died from seeing this arrow. Because we put it as private, only that class could see that value. Now, say we wanted to come into here, and let's say we wanted to do, what was the refactor? What was it they showed me how to do the other day? Doesn't change the parameters. I think, was it inspect and transform? Oh, here we go. Encapsulate fields. That's a weird term for it. So encapsulate fields, let's do a refactor here. And we created getters and setters. Cool stuff, awesome, fun. I should have used Eclipse. I'm much faster on that. I don't know why I switched to NetBeans sometimes. So say we have that there, right? Well, we have Mupster. We have get. Let's see. If we went back into here, we would have get A, right? Get A, awesome stuff. And we see that we have 7. Cool, fun stuff here. Just wanted to make sure, yeah, everything did it right here. Just adds the comments and it threw me off. So we see this private here, and that this class cannot access the int value a in here. If it was default, public, protected, that'd be great, but private, it's not going to. This is why you need getters and setters, which are extremely important. Mainly from what I've seen, you're going to be using either the public, sometimes default, but mainly either public or private. Regardless, I think it's really good practice to have getters and setters on all your variable types in your classes just in case, because you never know if an access specifier may be switched or there may be a goof or a mix-up or something along those lines. So these methods are extremely important right here. So that is encapsulation. You can play around with it. It's a pretty easy concept to understand. If you have any questions, leave it below. Subscribe, like, share, all that other jazz. And I'll see you in the next blockbuster, huge Hollywood budget tutorial.